Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called polynomials. The given question is find the degree of the polynomial given below, and the given polynomial is 2. So guys, let us see how we can find out the degree of the given polynomial. Here question has given us this polynomial. Here question has given us this polynomial 2, and question is asking us to find the degree of this polynomial. Question is asking us to find the degree of this polynomial. Now guys, before finding out the degree of the polynomial, let us try to understand what does it mean by degree of a polynomial. Now if you look here to this definition, you could easily understand what does it mean by degree of a polynomial. Now, what does this definition tells us? The highest power or exponent of a variable is called as the degree of a polynomial. That means the highest power of a variable is called as the degree of a polynomial. Now, question has given us here only 2. Now, instead of this 2, I can write 2 into 1. 2 is nothing but 2 into 1. Or I can write, that is equal to, I can write 2 into x to the power 0. Because why x to the power 0? Because we know that x to the power 0 is equal to 1. We know that x to the power 0 is equal to 1. So I have replaced this 1 with x to the power 0. So what we got here? We got here 2 into x to the power 0, that is equal to, I can write 2x to the power 0. So guys, from this we could easily understand here what is going to be the degree of this polynomial. Here there is only one value, that is 0. So here degree of this polynomial is 0. So we can write, hence the degree of this given polynomial is 0. Hence the degree of this given polynomial is 0. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward. Just we need to consider if a single number is given, if a single digit is given, that means it is, for example, here it is 2. So 2 into 1, the 2, and we very well know that x to the power 0 is equal to 1. Here I considered x. So instead of x, you can consider anything, x, y, z, a, b, c, any variable you can consider, and you can answer this question. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe and let your friends know. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.